Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing and review of these Monster in-ear wireless earbuds. So as you can see here, the box it comes in is pretty elegant. Here you got the manual. They try to make this very elegant, I could tell. It has a very premium unboxing feel to it. Right here you got the earbuds themselves. You got this short little USB-C cable. And it looks like you've also got extra ear tips here, probably different size ear tips. It's got this nice feel to them. It's got magnetic closure, of course, like many of these earbuds have. You've got a little indicator light right there. The USB-C port is on the bottom, and it has Monster branding right across the top. And these earbuds just feel really premium in my hand. You've got Monster branding running down them. It's not just a logo that's kind of pasted on there. It's a logo that's embossed, so it feels nice. Here you've even got an L and an R indicator telling you which earbud goes in which place. You even got this little kind of pocket here to put your finger on. You can probably easily grab it out of your pocket. There's voice prompts in these, so when you first connect them you'll be hearing the voice prompts. The nice thing is you could double tap the multifunction button on the left to turn down the volume, double tap it on the right to turn up the volume. You could press once on either side to pause or play the music. And then you can hold down for a couple seconds on the right hand side to go to the next track, hold down on the left hand side for a couple seconds to go to the previous track. Overall, these sound very nice. These things get very, very loud. You can see right there, I just held down for a couple seconds and the song switched. I can barely even hear myself talking right now. These are very good at sound isolating. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.